Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. You know why you here, you seen the title. Now let's just jump right into it. So first you're going to start off with a water bottle and just saturate the edge of the hairline. Now comb it out just to smooth it out a little. Take really sharp tweezers. Your tweezers have to be sharp. If you use dull tweezers, it's just going to be harder for you and it's going to take you all day to pluck your closure. The technique that I like to use is skip, pluck, skip, pluck, skip, pluck. And that basically just makes it look a little inconsistent and it gives it more of a natural looking hairline. You're going to do this technique throughout the front of the hairline, and I tried to zoom in and I slowed the video down so you guys won't feel rushed or try to keep up with me. I've been doing this for a really long time and I just don't want you guys to try to rush through it. It's definitely a skill that the more you do, the better you get. I like to work in 3 sections. So now that I'm done with section 1, I'm moving on to section 2, which is why I'm pulling out my baby hair. This is the actual hairline that people will see, so you can be a little more detailed and remove a little bit more just to give it more of a natural look. You don't want a thick hairline, that's how it looks super wicky. Like I said before, you're going to pluck a little and skip on, pluck a little and skip on, pluck a little and skip on. This is important because if you pluck on through, it's going to leave bald spots and you do not want that. Section 3 where I just pluck throughout the closure just to thin it out a little bit and to get the areas that I didn't get, and voila, I'm all done with pluck. Do not let the amount of hair that came out scare you because this is 100% okay. So I like to use a mixing bowl, but you can use a coloring bowl, which they sell at the 99-cent store and any beauty supply. But I love my handy dandy mixing bowl. And now you're going to use the powdered bleach. I like to use half a scoop, and you're going to use developer. I like to use about 2 teaspoons. The texture that I think about is how I would like my pancakes. I do them a little bit thicker than how I would like my pancakes. I know that's not much help, but it's really kind of like an eye thing. So as I'm stirring with my comb, because I don't like to use the brush, I apply with my comb, you can see the texture of the mixture. Make sure the consistency is not too runny because it will leak right through your lace. It has to be thick, but thick enough to hit your knots, not thick enough to just sit on your lace and not get your knots. Trust me guys, use a comb. It's so much easier than a brush, or a lot of people like to use a spoon. I don't use a spoon. That was stupid to me, but a comb really is very, very helpful. So I like to start in the beginning and just work my way to the back. And as you can see with the comb, it is a lot easier. I just smooth it right on, and I use light pressure, which means I am applying pressure, but it's very lightly. Do not push too hard, and do not just put it on there. You have to do some type of pressure. The more comfortable you get, the bigger the globs of bleach you can use on your closure. But I like to use small increments because I'm very sloppy, I'm very clumsy, and this is just always better for me. I'd rather play it safe and take a little bit longer than rush through it and it looks sloppy. Make sure you get all the edges. If you do get any bleach on your hair, it's fine. Just keep moving. We'll get back to that at the end. So now that we're done, just put a little water on your fingers and just brush the bleach off the hair. Once water hits bleach, it automatically deactivates, so it's not going to turn your hair. And I'm all done. So this is the finished product of that. And now I'm going to style it so you guys can see how everything looks. Very natural, very skin-like, and this is with no makeup, no cap. This is all bleaching and plucking. Guys, for watching, I hope I helped you. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Make sure you press that notification bell and keep coming back because I'm bringing y'all videos all mother effing week. All right, love you guys. Bye.